Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com. And I want to look at Tesla today. If you caught me on Power Lunch yesterday, I did say that most stocks are crap, which I think is probably the first time that's ever been said on a financial news network. But, what are you going to do? But one of the stocks that I mentioned, though I don't think we had much time to go into it, was Tesla. A lot of pundits are talking about how Apple is kind of propping, or we can count on Apple to prop up the market and all that. And, I don't think so for various reasons. Not really. Well, the fundamentals do show a real slowdown, but it really just seems like this is kind of toppy. But I said that Tesla is another one with this is things going a lot lower. But I said the fundamentals in Tesla are actually better than Apple's. And so, I heard from a few people who were, telling me I was full of crap. And while that may very well be, some of that's just my age, and a few other reasons. But I kind of stand by that, but here's why. Because what I'm talking about are growth numbers. I'm not talking about cash in the bank. I'm not talking about what they do. I'm talking about the growth or lack thereof, the acceleration in year-over-year quarterly earnings per share, revenue, what their profit margins are, stuff like that. Both of these, Tesla and Apple, the upward momentum of growth is slowing. It's slowing dramatically, actually. Apple this last quarter didn't earn money. And so that's why I'm saying Apple, and neither Apple nor Tesla are really going to be where you want to be. And I will say this, I think a lot of institutions are kind of bailing out of this. If they weren't, the stock would be going up. Just be careful about being one of these retail investors who you're betting on Tesla because you like Elon Musk, or because you believe in electric vehicles or something like that. You only make money when a stock goes up. You don't make money when you're right. And so I would say, in fact, I'm going to say, you're wrong to be owning either one of these stocks, okay? With that said, Tesla does look like it's really poised for a face-ripping rally, because it's actually testing this last low here from May. It's had a heck of a fall here. Okay, down a third, 33%. So with any kind of good news, not even just necessarily aimed at Tesla, but just in general, any market news, I think you could see this stock really rip higher. So this would be my suggestion. We look here at the low of 206.85. We'll just put this like right around there. Okay, so if you're buying this stock, I would wait for it to come up a little bit so you know that there are buyers in. And then I'd put my stop just a little bit below this horizontal line. So if it falls below these two bottoms, then you're out. And that's a pretty low risk trade. What the reward's going to be, couldn't tell you. It just all depends what's happening. But the company reports earnings on the 19th. We're the 12th now, so it's in a week. I think this could be a catalyst for a nice rebound rally, a nice counter trend rebound. So anyway, that's all I got for you. Hope you all have a good evening.